Hey, what's going on everyone? Brian from Drywall Nation here. Very quickly wanted to do a video on how to help prevent tape drag. Now, in the past, we've done other videos that talk about the importance of properly lubricating your tools when you're done using them. So that includes, your head, your chain, your drive dog, any moving parts, sprockets and gears that you think would need to get lubricated to help prevent tape drag. So that is very important, and we've covered that in the past. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go check it out. But one thing we didn't cover in that video was the importance of cleaning the back of the tube itself. I think we had just sprayed water in there possibly, but one thing that I wanted to show you a little more in depth was, as you're filling up your tube with mud, it's not uncommon for some mud residue to get stuck or to get dried up on the sides of the tube, and then as you continue to use it, that plunger that's sliding up and down, it gets harder and harder to pull because there's dried up mud residue on the side of the tube. So one great idea is to use one of these brushes. You can find these online, and this is made specifically for cleaning the back end of the automatic taper. So you just run that up and down, and that helps clean the sides. A little bit of water in the face there, but that helps clean the sides of the tube from any dried up mud. And then what you could also do is spray your lubricant. We always like to use fluid film. We find it is one of the best lubricants for cleaning automatic tapers. So you can spray that inside the tube, and you can even spray it on your little brush here, and then continue to clean the back of the tube like that. So now we're lubricating the tube. We've got rid of all of our dried up mud inside there. So now our plunger is going to operate a lot smoother, and that's going to help result in less tape drag. So hope you guys appreciated that video. Thanks for watching.